Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Stephen Rizky Putra Pratama. My study number 280. I'm from class 2C Management. I will read the summary journal of an analysis of reading text. Abstract. The reading material were difficult to be comprehended by students. Therefore, this research focused on analyzing the reading material used by English teacher at SMA Negeri 2 Sungai Tarap. The purpose of carrying this research are to find out the readability, exploitability, and content suitability of recount, narrative, and product text. This is a descriptive research data were collected by using analysis format. Source of data in this research were 45 texts that are used by teacher. To analyze the text, writer used criteria of good text for correct language student. The criteria were readability, explainability, and content suitability. Every criterion has subsidiator. The findings show that the reading material still have problem. It is proved by the findings which show that most reading material have problem in the length of the text. Some of the reading material have problem in lexical exploitability. The new vocabularies in the text are not usual for the student. It means that the new vocabulary cannot be used by the student to comprehend other texts. Some of the texts have problem in interesting, up-to-date, and gender sensitivity. Introduction, listening, speaking, reading, and writing are four skills of English. Those skills are important to be mastered without ignoring each other. For many students, reading is the most important skill in foreign language. A skill, reading is currently one of important language skill that students have to read English material for their subject. The student often think to do be easier to obtain information from written text by reading. Furthermore, reading skill is related to reading materials. Reading material are an important thing in learning process. The information is easier to be obtained through reading than listening. Reading material also can give clear information to the student. Student do interaction in the class not only to the teacher, their friend, but also to the reading material. Reading material can be taken from textbook, magazine, and other sources. Textbook plays an important thing in learning process record. Point out that textbook are key component of lab teaching service and the basic formats of the language input learning receive when learning a language. It is clear that the reading text for learning process can be taken from the textbook by the English teacher. Due to the importance of reading text for education, Brown said that when teachers work which reading text in helps them to transfer knowledge through the reading text. He also suggests that they are the way to find text. They are taught adapting, and developing Sharikov as quoted by Ocha states that text is a language class are a sort of activity for students to practice and they improve a teacher the very effective. It means each student will get something after they read the reading text and will change the role of the teacher in order to give appropriate text to the student. English teacher should pay attention to some factor as you get neutral in link the factor are readability, explorability, and content suitability. Dell and Chal quit by casual say that readability refer to as or difficulty which the reading material can be understood. Readability can be defined as the ability of text communicates the intention of reader to the intended reader. In addition, Fulker states that readability or text difficulty is an area of concern for all who need to establish the appropriacy of a gift text for a pedagogic purpose. In addition, according to Renkema, readability is used to be describe the combination of structural and lexical difficulty of a text as well as referring to the amount of the vocabulary and any new grammatical from present then casual identifies four factors affecting readability. There are first content such as proposition, organization, current risk, second style, induce cinematic and cinematic element. Their basic includes typography, format, and illustration, last structure, sub layout. Moreover, there are some factors related to readability as suggested by they are lexical knowledge, background knowledge, synthetic, appropriate discourse, phenomena, organization, and likes of the text. Lexical knowledge has an important factor in measuring readability. Since the more lexical item in a text, the student will be more difficult to comprehend the text. At the return also say that difficult word play a major factor affecting difficulty of the text. The more difficulty word in a text, it will be more difficult student to understand the text. In addition, Chow also said that to comprehend the text will involve first understanding the vocabulary, saying relationship among word and concept, organization, ID, recognizing author purpose. Can do and Brooke also said that quality of lexical knowledge of reader will help them to comprehend the text well. The quality of lexical knowledge influences reader comprehension of reading text. Moreover, Liu and Nation in Here's and Nation. The number of non-lexical items in a text is about a word from 20 words. Students should comprehend the words 95%. It means that is a text consistent of 100 words. The new vocabulary is 5 words in addition his and nation. Also stated that is a reader knows 90% of the running word is a text. Then it will be 10 now word in every thousand if I see line in the text contain about 10 word when will be one now word in every line. Reading will certainly be struggle. Along with lexical knowledge, background knowledge is also very important in the readability of a text. The more readers know about a particular topic, the more quickly and accurately they can read it. Lindsay background now plays a key role in the comprehension of a reading text by student. Way and Growing argue that key to comprehend text is background knowledge. Farrell quit by words defines that background knowledge affect comprehension in the ways first it helps students make inference about reading. Second, it directs attention to information that is important in a knowledge domain. Less background knowledge profits plan for recall for more for understand and person install et al. Cite that background knowledge allows students to comprehend the text through inference relate specific information needs to understand a text in close conclusion. Student need attention to get the specific information based on their background knowledge. Syntactic construction in a text affects in readability if a text contains grammatical construction that the readers do not know. They mix have a hard time reading it. According to Fleiss area et al., Fleiss readability formula is the simple way to view synthetic complexity and readability. More complex sentences will be more difficult to understand. Complex sentences are more difficult to understand. That short sentences in indication Crane and Schneider argue that syntactic complexity is become a problem in comprehending a text. Hugin say that to know the syntactic complexity, students need to teach sentences from short sentences to complex sentences by the teacher, similar to previous expert, but also say that syntactic complexity also affect the text. They say that organization refer to both the rhetorical organization of the text and the clarity of the organization. Reader who can recognize the rhetorical organization of a text have better comprehension than those who do not. English teacher should carefully examine a text to see how it is organized. A text that is not well organized makes present problem for students. Die textual phenomena at the level of discourse include the argument of topic and comments in a reading text and consideration of cohesive and coherence. English teacher need to be aware of the manner in which the author makes use of this in the text and the degree to which students are able to deal with subtextual. The second factor should be paid attention by English teacher is exploitability of the text. Exploitability means text should facilitate the development of reading skill in order to help reader become comprehensible novel as quoted by Lang et al. Say that selected text facilitate students to become an effective reader, which ability refer to be ability to extract the content from the language that express it. Session stated that not all text offer an opportunity to their cinematic, lexical, synthetic, and structural appropriateness. Session argues that lexical exploitability refers to whether the text offer opportunity to get some new vocabulary in giving opportunity to students to get the new vocabulary. The text shall be introduced it by using context clues. According to Wessam and Rinsky, there are types of context clues are by using example definition could offer complex contract. In addition, Yainil another type of context clue, there are definition, example, cause and effect, contrast, restatement, modifier, and sentence or paragraph. In conclusion, to introduce the meaning of the vocabulary, it can be used context clue such as definition, example, UTC using context clues are to help students be easier to comprehend the text. Method. The design of this study is descriptive analysis guide. States that descriptive research determines and report the way these things are. It is told about something caught in the field. Further guide adds the alteration way people as the descriptive method. First, a high percentage of reported research students are descriptive in nature. Second, the descriptive method is useful for investigating a variety of educational problems. Since it was a descriptive research, the data was be collected through document of reading text. The data in this research were reading text used by English teacher to teach recount, narrative, and recount text. There are 45 texts in appendix. The texts were from Erlangga textbook, looked at head and adopted text. Thank you.